Alright, so this is car tier list. Alright, first we got the Porsche 911. And I think that's GT3 B. Pretty overpriced. Alright, that's easy A, Audi R8, pretty cool car. M2 A, I like it a lot. Camaro. This is an S and A, I think S, yeah. Corvette S. This is an E30 M3. I don't know, it's a bit just B tier. Fiat Multipla. Honestly, it's C. It's average. What else have we got? We've got this. Pretty overrated, but I still like it a lot, so that's B. Now let's see. We've got... What is that? That's like a sedan. I think that goes C. Is there any D tiers? I don't think there's any D's. Last year that's S. B. I kind of like them.